Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Thinking about buying game keys from K4G? Is it safe or loyal? It is safe or a scam? So let's dig into real experiences before you spend. Now, the first thing, let's talk about the red flags from users. So on SiteJaver, it has 2.5 star out of 5 star rating from 122 reviews. Users complained about invalid key and non-refundable purchases and forced refunds with no delivery. One user in Canada reported that stay away. I have been trying to get a refund, they run you in circles. Now let's talk about the privacy and ID requests. So there are Reddit warns about forced ID and payment photo submission post purchase that one says through the Reddit that they forced me submit a photo with ID then delayed the order anyway. The platform uses including account bans and stolen personal data. Now here is the mixed trust signals that scam flagging sites rate K4G as medium to high risk, citing phishing patterns and sketchy domains. Scamdom is the Scamdoc website officials shows a good HTTPS rating due to site age like 20 years old, but warns that doesn't guarantee safe transactions. A few positive voice for K4G is some Trustpilot reviews like there is 3.9 star review overall, praise fast key delivery and smooth transactions. Like one says through the Reddit and Trustpilot that product key was delivered immediately worked without issue. But others says fees, account holds and poor refunds ruin the experience. Now here is the final verdict for you. Is K4G legit? Technically, yes, you can get cheap keys. Is it safe? Not really. There are repeated complaints about invalid keys, forced ID check, refund problems, and data risks. So, if you buy from K4G, expect no guarantees. Only buy from highly rated sellers, use PayPal, and cancel dispute ASAP. Never share sensitive ID information. For peace of mind, consider using authorized resellers like Humble Bundle or Greenman Gaming instead. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and thanks for watching till next time.